Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be mostly non-phone. You're going to be researching public records. We're going to jump right into it. Of course, I just asked that if you enjoy job leads like this, give this video a thumbs up, like button, and if you know anybody who could benefit from these, share with them so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead comes from the company Verified First. They have 91 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a public records specialist. Now, this is going to be remote for the United States, but Verified First is a rapid growing tech company that's dedicated to providing innovative technology to help organizations protect their employees. They're looking for individuals to join their team as a public records specialist. This role involves conducting public record searches, following the department procedures, and maintaining accuracy and efficiency. So you're just going to be researching those different databases of courthouses and stuff, following up, trying to find public records. Now, the ideal candidate for this position should have strong attention to detail, problem-solving skills, and the ability to work within a team. You have to have a high school diploma, prior experience, and proficiency in G Suite or Microsoft Office. And of course, the job description just said that they offer like health insurance and a competitive salary, but did not list what that salary is. So I did a little bit of research, and per Glassdoor, you can expect anywhere from $39,000 a year all the way up to $55,000 a year for this position. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.